Good afternoon, students. Our today's topic is subtraction. First of all, you must know which number is subtracted from the other number. Okay, or which number is placed on the upper side and which number is kept below. Every time, whenever we have to subtract one number from the other number, we write the larger number on the upper side. ऊपर हम सबसे पहले लार्जर नंबर जो बड़ा नंबर है उसको लिखेंगे और नीचे जो है हमने छोटा नंबर लिखना है. जब भी हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं बड़े नंबर में से छोटा नंबर ही सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाता है. ओके, नाउ यू मस्ट नो द नेम्स ऑफ दीज नंबर्स. द लार्जर नंबर इज ऑलवेज कॉल्ड माइन्यूएंट and the smaller number which is subtracted from the larger number, that is called subtrahend. And the number comes after subtracting the smaller number from the larger number, we get the difference, or the answer is called the difference. Now our today's topic is how to subtract larger numbers. Just take one example. Like addition. First of all, we place both the numbers under place value chart. First of all, we will write the places: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, after this we'll leave one line and place the numbers below these places. Every time when we have to write the numbers, start from ones place. Okay, but we have to write the larger number before, so we'll write this number first. 8 at ones place, 7 at tens place, 6 at hundreds place, 9 at thousands place, 1 at 10,000s place, 2 at lakhs place, 5 at 10 lakh place, and 4 at 10 lakh place, and 5, one more number is there and we'll write one more place, crores. 5 under crores place. Now in next line we'll write the other number which is to be subtracted from this number. Again we'll start from ones place. After this we'll start subtracting the numbers. Now what we will do, whenever we have to subtract, the upper number must be the larger number. ये नंबर जो है हमारा बड़ा होना चाहिए. Now see, 8 is smaller than 9. So 9 cannot be subtracted from 8. So what we will do, we'll borrow 1 from the tens place. And 8 will change into 18 and 7 will change into 6. Now subtract 9 from 18, we get 9. Subtract 6 from 6, we get 0. Subtract 2 from 6, we get 4. At thousands place, subtract 7 from 9, we get 2. Here 9 is greater than 1. At 10,000s place, upper side number is smaller than the subtrahend number. So what we will do, we will again borrow 1 from lakhs place. It becomes 11, and at lakhs place digit it becomes 2. We will subtract 1 from the lakhs place. Subtract 9 from 11, we get 2. Now here again 4 is bigger than 1. What we will do, we will borrow 1 from 10 lakh place and subtract 1 from 10 lakh place. 4 minus 11, we get 7. Now at 10 lakh place again, 6 is greater than 3. Now what we will do, we'll borrow 1 from crores place and subtract 1 from crore place, we get 13 at 10 lakh place. Now subtract 6 from 13, we get 7. Subtract 3 from 4 at crores place, we get 1. Now the answer is 1 crore 77 lakh 22,409. What is this? This is the difference of these numbers. Is it understandable to you? सबको समझ में आ गया है? If you have any problem, you can ask. Send me message in WhatsApp group or you can call me. Try to solve these questions of exercise 3.2. Based on this question, you can solve exercise 3.2 question number 1 to 6. You have to do question number 1 to 6 in your books only, not in notebooks. You have to do these questions in books only. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.